Good afternoon, folks. Chris Wenzler, product specialist here at Heritage Ford. Hey, this week's point of view video and test drive video is on this 2020 Explorer XLT. It's a four-wheel drive. It's equipped with a 2.3 liter EcoBoost. These are really nice cars. They made a lot of changes to them as far as their cargo room. As far as speed, as far as that's concerned, and agility. The turbo engine adds a lot to this vehicle. Getting ready to take it on our virtual test drive here. I'll tell you a little bit more about the vehicle and let you kind of see through the video goggles. The steering, the turning, acceleration, so on and so forth. But this vehicle is equipped with the Copilot 360, which means it's got the blind spot monitoring, lane keep, forward collision alert. We've sold a lot of the 2020s with the new body style and all. This 2.3 liter engine's got a lot more torque, a lot more horsepower than the aspirated engines that they had in the 2019s and below. This portion of the test drive, we're going to kind of get on it. You can kind of see how it goes through the transmission gears and such. Pretty good, going 55 miles an hour. Next portion of the test drive is where we're going to check the top heaviness of it. There's a few curves we're going to take. Alright, well that just about wraps up our virtual test drive, and point of view video. Folks, once again, my name is Chris Wenzler, product specialist here at Heritage Ford. Live here locally. Heritage Ford, we really pride ourselves on our vehicle selection and our vehicle pricing. Please take a look at these videos. Check out our internet. Check out our website. Come on by. We offer you a test drive. See if there's something maybe we could try to help you guys out with. Thank you.